Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make ring text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make a ring text. Go to the Insert menu. Select the word art option and select any word art. Then write anything on this word art text. Then click OK. Now we want to make this text ring. Click the text. Go to the word art menu. Select the change shape option and we can see here many path or shapes. Now we find and select the ring shape. There this ring shape, then we select it. Then we resize the text. Now we can see we make ring text this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.